Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today we're doing a short basics video. I'll show you how to continue with a new spool, or basically how to change the thread. So if you're just getting started with your crocheting projects, then this might be useful to you. So here is my project that I started, and I got to the point where it's time to change the thread. And I'm gonna show you, here is my new spool with my beginning thread. So let me find it real quick. Here we are, and there are different methods to do this. One is to simply take the beginning of the new spool and the end of the old one and do a knot. Pull tight and you have a nice little knot, so it's an okay method, but you can easily pull them apart, and that's not always what we want. So another option is to leave this thread dangling and take your new one, put it onto your hand as you would usually do, and then just continue with the new thread. So this we can weave in as we work our next few stitches. So I'm going through. This pattern is with deeper half trebles, so I'm not going through the stitches, but actually all the way underneath them. So here are my stitches, and I just go around the whole thing, and I take the threads with it to hide them right away. You can do this with trebles and singles as well. Just ignore that section or align it with the top section and continue as always. So you may be able to see it a bit, but it's not a big deal in the end, so it's definitely a lot nicer and safer than the knot option. And the threads slowly but surely disappear. And that's basically it. I think it's a lot nicer method. So you see that the stitches continue as they always would. So if you took a super close look, maybe I guess you could see it, but it's a really cool way to hide the change. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye!